Hi learners, welcome to inquirecode.com. This is Raghav, lecturer at InquireCode. Today we are going to discuss the topic named Architecture of SAP UI5. Here we go. So what do you think this SAP UI5 is actually? In coming 5 minutes, all your confusions and doubts will be clear. SAP UI5 is a SAP's library framework developed using JavaScript, HTML5, CSS, and some other web technologies. Actually, it is used to provide better user interface for the SAP products. And don't forget that there is also an open source version called OpenUI5. This user interface is simple, multi-device compatible, and easy to use. So you will be getting a question in your mind. What a beginner should know before starting with SAP UI5. Basics of HTML. What it is. HTML file structure and should be familiar with markup tags. You need not be an expert in HTML5, but basics knowledge is necessary. The second one is CSS. You need not bother if you're not a master in this, but basics are really recommended. And the third one is JavaScript. This is the mandated thing to know before starting with SAP UI5, because SAP UI5 is completely dependent on JavaScript and other JS libraries. I feel that you are getting what exactly I'm saying. Now, let us have a glimpse how SAP UI5 applications work and what is its architecture. As in any other application programming, here also we have a backend, a frontend, and an intermediate system for those two. As a backend, we can use SAP systems such as ECC, SRM, CRM, and HANA. Here, we will store and fetch all the data which contains above objects such as tables, classes, RFC, BAPIs, etc. As an interface between front-end and back-end, we have a NetWeaver gateway server. Here exactly, we will write all the database queries and other back-end side logic. All the data will be coming to front-end from NetWeaver gateway. As a front-end, we have SAP UI5 application. It will have all the UI elements which will display in browsers and in any other devices. Now let us see how all these systems are connected to each other. Being a front-end application, SAP UI5 will generate OData or HTTP request from front-end and request for the data. And the NetWeaver gateway server, which acts as an interface here, will fetch the data from SAP systems, where all the business data will be stored in tabular format. Finally, this business data will be again sent to the NetWeaver gateway, which further generates OData service in the format of XML, JSON, or XSL. Here exactly, in the front-end application, the data will be displayed in the form of tables, forms, and graphs. So, my dear learners, by this time you would have understood the topics SAP UI5 architecture, modern way of SAP UI5. Finally, I would like to conclude the session for the day. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you need more explanation on the above topic, please go through the following post in our blog. Post links are provided below. Thank you all for watching the video. Please feel free to share your inputs and feedback. For more videos and notifications, subscribe, like, and share below. Signing out.